So it's been just a little bit challenging doing our fall garden this year here in the South. Man, we've had rain, all kind of rain. Already had one of those tropical storms come through. So it's going to be one of them years, looks like. But I want to show you today a problem you can have with fall gardening that we normally don't have with spring gardening. Something you need to keep an eye out for. Now in the fall, late summer, we can have a problem with an insect called whitefly. Now we normally don't have any trouble with this bad boy come springtime, but late summer, early fall, you can have issues with them. See them right there, those little white bugs? Yep, we can have an issue with those. Now, they like to suck the juices out of the plant, and they particularly love cucumbers, squash, pumpkins, those kind of things. They will get on tomatoes and peppers, but they love squash, cucumbers. And they'll suck the juices out of it and cause some damage to your plant. Your plant will be stunted. It just won't grow off right. Now these whiteflies are very mobile. There's one on top right there. And they normally really swarm in early in the morning or late in the afternoon. So when you want to treat these is at that time when they're on the plant here. During the daytime, see, there's not many there now. During the daytime, they'll move off and go visit their cousins, their aunts and uncles. But at nighttime, they come back and they lay underneath this leaf here and they feed on these plants all during the night. And then early morning, they're still there. And then when the sun comes up, they move on. So they're hard to kill because they're mobile. They're easy to kill if you get contact on them. So the treatment on these is to spray them, to treat them early in the morning, late afternoon, and always spray from the bottom up and try to get underneath them leaves, because that's where the majority of them are. Every now and then you'll see one on top. Now after you spray that, you'll see them kind of swarming around. Then I like to go over the top and kind of hit them again and kill those that are flying around there. Bam, there's your answer. Horticultural oil. Horticultural oil works great to kill those soft-body insects such as whiteflies and aphids. It's a great tool to use. It's good, it's safe. You can spray it every day. Heck, you can spray it twice a day if you want to. And you know what? Just as soon as you spray, you can harvest. There's no interval in there that you have to withhold. It's a nice, safe product that works well. Works on contact, so you got to get the coverage we talked about. And it works. I think it's something like 1 ounce per gallon. Now, if you get it tight and you don't have anything else, you can use dishwashing detergent. It don't work quite as good as this, but it will work. Back in the day, we used to use Lemon Joy. So that will work. Horticultural oil works just a little bit better. Hey, Maggie. So there you have it, folks. Prepare. Look after that fall garden. Keep those white flies at bay and get out there and get dirty.